going. There he is. Oh, look at that. God, it's gorgeous.
Kind of hanging up at the surface.
Come on up. Let's see the tail.
Have a great look of his blowholes there. Baleen whales have 2 blowholes, where toothed whales only have 1.
Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, there it is.
Beautiful. That might be tossed, but we'll double check on that. Yes, it is Tom. Another female individual
Tom
has
the
been
whale.
in the area many years, who does return very often.